What's the meaning of blink? Blink. Blink.
Blink. Blink. Blink is a verb that indicates the action of briefly closing and opening one's eyes. This motion can be involuntary or intentional, and it usually occurs in rapid succession. The word can also be used figuratively to refer to a quick and sudden change or shift in something, such as a situation or emotion. Blink is often associated with uncertainty, hesitation, or surprise. In popular culture, blink has been used as a title for songs, movies, TV shows, and even a famous character from Marvel Comics. Overall, blink is a versatile term that can have different meanings based on context.